नारे रिसालत, इकरा नूरी अरबी मदरसा, नौजवाना ने महल्ला, अराकीन इकरा नूरी अरबी मदरसा, मैक पर सिद्दीकी अलिशबा शाहुला।
Respected teacher, audience and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina al-mursaleen, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्नल्लाहा व मलाइकतुहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा। आइए हम और आप मिलकर एक मर्तबा हज़रत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के बारगाह नाज़ में दुरूद व सलाम का नजराने अक़ीदत पेश करते हैं। जिस तरह मैं पढ़ाऊँ मेरे पीछे बावाज़ बुलंद आवाज़ पढ़े अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूल अल्लाह, अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या हबीब अल्लाह, अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या नूर अल्लाह, सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैका वसल्लम। Dear audience, do you know first Muharramul Haram is the first day of Islamic year. This is also the day of Martyrdom, beloved companion of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abu Hafs was the patronic name that our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave to Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam. The meaning of Hafs in Arabic language is baby of a lion. The name of second Khalifa Amirul Mu'minin Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam is Umar bin Khattab and title Farooq Azam. Dear audience, when our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to preach Islam, the people of Makkah opposed him and Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam also one of them. One day, our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed in the court of Allah, "Oh Allah, bless Umar bin Khattab with faith of Islam." Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayer was answered. Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam embraced the Islam after coming in the court of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, Islam greater strong support of Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam became a Muslim. He greatly benefited in Islam. Before this, the Muslim used to worship of Allah's security. After Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam embraced the Islam, the Muslim went to Holy Kaaba and performed Salah. This is also called Rithaniyas openly. Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam has participated many battles found against unbelievers and Muslims won the battle by his participation. Dear audience, Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam loved our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam very much. After embracing Islam, he obtained a life company of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also loved Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam very much. He said on one occasion, "The one who hated Umar, they hates me, and the one who loved Umar, they loves me." Dear audience, the status of Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam is very high. He had many attributes in his personality. The greatest of them in his love of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was trained in humility, generosity, wisdom, bravery, passion to sacrifice the people in his personality. He was a unmatched ruler. He was a ruler of truth, fear of Allah. He was a great well-wisher of Muslims. He always did to help the poor Muslim and visit sick, carry out the goodness of Muslim. Dear audience, Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam was one visiting Medina Munawwara with her son at night. He passed the home where women present with her child. Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam heard the cry of her children. He knocked the door and asked the woman, "Why are the children crying?" Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam has knocked the door and asked the woman, "Why are the children crying?" Woman replied, "They are trebly hungry and therefore they are crying." He said, "What is in that pot?" She replied, "There is only water in that pot, which is so caused them. I am a poor woman. I have no enough money to feed them." Looking at this situation, Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam became sad. He immediately going to store and carried the grocery item in his shoulder. Then he cooked the food and feed the women children. Following the conduct of Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam, we should always help the Muslim in their trouble and relieving their pains. Helping somebody in their trouble and relieving their pains in act, in your virtue, it is a great provision. Carry out the virtuous deed. We should participate in such deeds. May Allah grant us bravery and passion to service the people just like Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam. Ameen. Dear audience, I don't want to prolong my speech, so I conclusion here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.